Okay, barbecue sauce is boiling on the stove. I am boiling it down. I will show the recipe another time. I'm getting ready to put this concoction together. And it's going to be barbecue mushroom. Barbecue mushroom. This is oyster mushroom. Oyster mushroom going in the pan. Oyster mushrooms. Nice, healthy, juicy, beautiful oyster mushrooms. They are getting ready to become steaks. The steaks. I'm going to cut that off. Okay, so the barbecue sauce is cooking down. Getting rid of all the liquid so I can get it nice and thick. And then I got some farro, some garbanzo beans, and some wild rice cooking. And I'm about to take the lid off the mushrooms. See if I can get this without making a mess. Take all these tops off. And season this down a little bit more. And then I'm going to add some barbecue sauce, some more seasoning, and turn that over. Cook that down a little bit more, and then put it in the oven and let it marinate with the barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is almost ready. Yeah, baby. Get this on video. I'm about to turn it over. Turn it over, baby. Turn it over. This nice beauty, baby, baby, gonna blow up. Oh, I forgot I was recording, and I can't sing. Season time.